hex bugs. There's 3 of them. I got this is the trap for them. This is the holder for them. You just snap them in it. And this is the holder for the black one and the blue one. And we drive them wood. And you can make them fight. This one goes in the dark. This pit these guys and this thing to fight. And no, make this guy watch.
They're fighting?
Yeah.
Wow. And the guy's watching?
Yeah. See which one.
Who gave you this?
Aunt Heidi and Benny.
You did? For Christmas?
No, today.
Is that a Christmas present?
Benny gave me this one. Aunt Heidi gave me the track and these 2. This one goes in the dark and the whole entire thing goes in the dark. So you can see it. Boom, boom. He wins. You have to call a number to give you more hex bugs and another trap that's bigger.